Another distinguishing feature of your cardiac muscle tissue is the presence of intercalated discs, such as this one. So these discs sometimes looks like a dark band perpendicular to the length of your cardiac muscle fiber. In some preparations, these bands will manifest or look like cracks. So it is best to appreciate these intercalated discs under the high magnification. And it's quite difficult to see them in the cardiac muscle preparations that we have in the lab. So again, this is your cardiac muscle tissue.